Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm just doing one more video tonight. I was trying to help somebody make a guitar, and I mentioned in one of the videos that you could go to Dafont and type right in here music, and there were several. You could go right here to musical notes you could have, and then search this, temporarily unavailable. But anyway, it works, and then you could just download that font, and then you could go and you could type in all lowercase, all the letters, and then a little trick here, you can go Control G or Control D and make a duplicate of that, and then it is a font. So then we could go to text, change case, and then make all of them uppercase, and now you have all of them. So you could pick a guitar right there, and all we have to do is go Control K and break them apart. And there's you a vector guitar. Really good. It's even got the strap holders. It could use a little bit of cleanup, but you know, it's still free and you can change it. To do anything, you got to go to Object and convert it to a curve, and then you can take your shape tool and delete some of the pickups, which there aren't too many. It's a pretty cool vector. Now it's not as detailed as that guitar we had, but you know, I picked a guitar. I don't know if they were wanting a piano, you know, a horn, you know, different. I mean, look at there's a guitar with a strap on it. And so that's just a font. And you can just start, you know, typing and go A, B, C, and it's in Arial, and then you just go up and find that font, which is the second font I just used, which is called WC Music. And there's those two graphics. So there's a lot of stuff in the fonts that you can use under DA fonts. And let's see if we just can't go to them again. No, evidently their site's down right now, but I just got through using it. So it's Dafont without an S.com. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.